Welcome to DJM Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news and gist happening in Nigeria and all over the world. That place where we give you the latest information and news as they happen. If this is your first time of seeing any of our videos, big thumbs up to you. Go a step further, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Do follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, on Instagram, and also check out our website at www.djmtv.news.
Whose responsibility is it? One. Who's stopping them from coming? Who's stopping them from coming in? I'm asking you, who's stopping them from coming in? I have a right. But I don't have a right. Well, who told I don't have a right? Who told you that? How are you commanding? Who is commanding? Huh? How can you command me? No, don't command me. Don't command me. If you don't think what will happen? What would you think will happen? What will happen?
The special lawyer to Nnamdi Kanu, they here, and he go like tell us what happened inside court. Okay, how he go today?
We didn't go well. We were locked outside, and we tried to get inside, but we found that the courtroom was locked from inside, and the judge simply didn't allow us to come inside because she had problem with the number of lawyers on Nnamdi Kanu's side, and I don't think that should have been a problem. Nnamdi Kanu has a right to counsel. The Constitution didn't say he has a right to only one counsel. It's a very complicated case, and he needs to have access to as many counsels as he can afford, and as the courtroom perimeters can afford. And the courtroom itself had a lot of empty seats that could have taken all of us. But what happened in the final analysis is that the court locked us out. And while we were locked out, the court commenced proceedings without our presence in court and adjourned the matter to 19th and 20th January next year, which we find to be a travesty of justice and a flagrant a violation of Section 36 of Nigerian Constitution, which contains a fair hearing safeguards for defendants.
So, what will be your next move now?
Well, we are going back to the drawing board. We are not going to take this lying low. We are going to consider a number of countervailing legal judicial measures.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much.
Okay, now special counsel to
Aloy
ADJ0URNED
is my name. Special counsel to Nnamdi Kanu. I salute you now. Una well done, but I know happy.
No bets. Okay, and I don't hear as a special counsel.
When he was talking to court, to that reference to court, and allowed to address the court. So it's a clear case of denial of fair hearing. So, and the height of privacy of justice. This is what you are seeing now. So if the court is not ready to go on with this case, what John, my Lord, will have done is just to rescue the That's simple. It's allowed. Very simple. It's allowed. Instead of going about this way, because from what's playing out, I don't think that the legal team, as we are today, still have implicit confidence in the court. We don't have confidence in the court again to go on with this case. And we're going to activate relevant administrative process to ensure that right thing is done. Good. And this case, I can assure you today, this case will not get to January. It was the hard, and here he had a judicial sleep. We must activate the process to ensure that the matter is come up. It's hard this week. Yes. He has not committed any offense to law. We have informed the world, filed our solid objection to the charge. That the 7-count amended charge filed against Nnamdi Kanu is as empty as what one can never imagine. It's as empty as what one can never imagine. It's a worthless paper before the court. And we have filed a strong objection to challenge it. And the court is under obligation to hear this application. Whenever the one or the other, you can't run away from it. And no trial will commence in this case without application being had. Of course. So we're going to take up the matter in the part of our Thank you so much.
Your name for the record.
Thank you,
It's very clear that the reason for the lockout. I've been here 5 times. My name is Bruce Fine. I'm an international lawyer who represents Nnamdi Kanu. from the United States. It was clear today that they were, when the lawyers were entering the courtroom, when I was cleared to enter, they said, no, Mr. Fine, you can't enter. It's clear that this is the 5th time this has happened to me, despite the court order authorizing Nnamdi Kanu to see any lawyers of his choice without any inhibition whatsoever. It's flagrant violation of international law. The Nigerian Constitution deprives an accused of right of access to counsel. It's very clear every single day that Nnamdi Kanu is being detained is another violation of international law. He's being punished in solitary confinement. There's never been any hearing whatsoever. Never been a finding that he did anything guilty whatsoever. And here he is. Now we have a scheduled hearing in January, 6 months of punishment before you even have a trial. Think of that. That's Alice in Wonderland. Sentence, first verdict afterwards. This case is going to go to an international forum. I'm taking the case to Geneva, the Working Group on International Arbitrary Detention, the International Criminal Court, and the International Court of Justice in The Hague, the United States Congress, to make clear that the Nigerian judiciary cannot be trusted. Sanctions are necessary in order to bring it into conformity with due process of law. And until that happens, Nigeria will be a pariah state. It will be a failed state. And I want to underscore to the Nigerian judiciary, you're not immune from criminal prosecution like the Nazi judges weren't either. You participate in the flagrant violation of human rights, you'll be charged with crimes against humanity at the ICC, and I can guarantee that because I'm going to do it. My name is Bruce Fine, F-E-I-N.
For record.
Bruce Fine.
Bruce Fine for record. Bruce Fine for record is a former deputy attorney general of the United States of America.
Yes.
And a lawyer to Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB in the United States of America.
Okay, you said fine, right?
F-E-I-N.
Thank you. We have that.
Ask him.
Our lawyers are literally complaining that they were not allowed to even go into the court. So, while the Nnamdi Kanu had a trial today, and they are convincing.
So there you have it, guys. Nnamdi Kanu's case has been adjourned till the 19th of January 2022. See, I'm coming ready with another exciting edition of DJM-TV Daily News Update. I remain your host, Nnamdi.
Yeah.
ADJ0URNED ADJ0URNED.
People are living for don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM-TV.
ADJ0URNED ADJ0URNED ADJ0URNED.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
ADJ0URNED. ADJ0URNED.